Hi children, in this video under chapters 10 exercise number 5 we are going to find the volume of object and volume of cube and cuboid using the formula. So here find the volume of these objects are given. We have different pictures here. So I am going to choose this E, that is they have given the picture of a room. Okay, so first you have to find which is length, which is breadth and which is height. So if you see, this is your length 2.5 meter and this 2 meter is your breadth and this 2 meter is your height. Okay, so now what is the formula? Volume of, so it is a cuboid. It is in cuboid shape. Volume of a cuboid formula we are going to use L into B into H. See, I am using only the short derivation. Length is L, breadth is B, H is height. Okay. So the length of this room is 2.5 meter. 2.5 meter into breadth is 2 meter into height is 2 meter. Okay. So now we are going to multiply with length into breadth into height. So 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 2.5. That is, I'll just do here 4 into 2.5. So 4 5s are 20, 4 2s are 8 plus 2, 10. So this after decimal we have one place. So from right side to left side moving one place. After 1 0 keeping decimal. So 10 is the answer. So we have 10 cube meter. So the answer should be written in 10 cube meter. So next, the second question, find the volume of these cubes or cuboid. So we have different shapes with the cube as well as in cuboids. So we'll do B sum here. So with the cube, see here, if you see, this is your length, breadth and height. So if you take in cube, all the sides will be, the measurement will be equal. So we are going to consider it as side. So this is one side, this is one side and this is one side. This is also sides. Okay. So all the sides, the measurements are 20 centimeter. Okay. So using this measurement, we are going to use the volume of cube formula S into S into S, that is side into side into side. So the volume of cube side into side into side. So all the sides with 20 centimeter. So I have 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So all the zeros I am adding here. So 8,000. Finally if I multiply 20 into 20 and then with again 20, I'll get 8,000. So finally I'll write 8,000 cube centimeter. See, cube centimeter. So here it is the unit in centimeter. So cube dot centimeter. Okay, so this is your answer. So we'll see one more sum with directly when length, breadth and height is given, how to calculate. The same thing. So we'll just length is equal to 10 millimeter, breadth is equal to 15 millimeter, height is equal to 5 millimeter. So now length, breadth and height, all the measurements are different. So obviously it will be a cuboid. So volume of a cuboid is equal to L into B into H. That is 10 into 15 into 5. Okay. So now 10 into 15 gives 150. So with this 150 into 5 into 0 is 0. 5 5s are 25. So 5 into 5 plus 2, 7. 750 cube. So what unit is given? Millimeter. So here also millimeter. So the answer is 750 cube millimeter. So hope you have understood how to find out the length and breadth and height when you have the pictures, and how to do the sums when directly length, breadth, height, volumes of measurement is given. So only cube and cuboid you are going to see in this chapter. So I hope it is very clear and you have understood. Thank you, children.